Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we will talk about the Citroen Grand Picasso from 2014 and onwards. The Citroen Grand C4 Picasso is a popular compact multi-purpose vehicle known for its stylish design and practicality. This car is a family-friendly model with seating for up to 7 people and comes with various features that make it suitable for both urban and long-distance driving. The car offers a comfortable and smooth ride, making it a great choice for family trips. The suspension is well tuned to provide a balanced and comfortable driving experience. The interior of the Grand Picasso is known for its comfortable and spacious seating arrangement. The dashboard is user-friendly, and the seats can be configured to provide ample cargo space when needed. However, in this video, we focus on the common faults that are associated with the Grand Picasso. The first common fault on the list is electrical problems. Some owners have encountered issues with the infotainment system, including freezing, crashes, or unresponsiveness. Software updates may be required to resolve these problems. Various sensors, such as parking sensors or rain sensors, may fail or provide inaccurate readings. Replacing or recalibrating the sensors may be necessary. The second issue, and quite common with the Picasso, is to do with the automatic transmissions. Several owners have experienced jerky gear shifts, especially in automatic transmissions. This could be due to problems with the transmission fluid, solenoids, or sensors. In some cases, the transmission might slip, causing a loss of power or erratic shifting. This could be indicative of a more serious transmission issue. The third issue is more common with high mileage Picassos, which are suspension and steering wearing out. Wear and tear on suspension components like bushings and mounts can lead to knocking or clunking noises when driving over bumps or uneven road surfaces. Owners have reported issues with creaking or clicking sounds when turning the steering wheel, which may be related to steering column or linkage problems. The fourth common issue is to do with turbocharger and diesel particulate filter, DPF. Diesel models may experience problems with the turbocharger, such as excessive noise, lack of power, or oil leaks. Turbocharger replacement can be costly. The DPF, designed to reduce emissions, can become clogged and require regular maintenance or even replacement to prevent reduced engine performance or warning lights. Fixing a DPF could become very expensive. And the last issue is air conditioning and heating problems. Weak cooling or heating. Owners have noted instances of weak cooling or heating from the HVAC system. This may be caused by issues with the compressor, refrigerant leaks, or climate control components. It's important to understand that not all Citroen Grand Picassos will experience these problems, and many owners have had a trouble-free ownership experience. To minimize the risk of encountering these issues, regular maintenance and servicing are essential. If you plan to purchase a used Citroen Grand Picasso, consider having a comprehensive pre-purchase inspection performed by a qualified mechanic. Additionally, staying up to date with recalls and technical service bulletins from the manufacturer can help you address any known issues promptly. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe.